talking about childhood funny memories. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for birthday gift. You always know how to make my birthday special.
Do you remember the day she was born? It was such a beautiful moment. I still have the picture of you holding her for the first time. You looked so happy and proud.
Of course, I remember. She was so tiny and precious. I couldn't believe we had created such a miracle. She had your eyes in my hair.
Really? I always thought I looked more like you, Dad.
Well, you have grown up to be a lovely young lady. You have your own personality and style. But you still have some of our features.
And some of our quirks too. Like your love for music and books. And your sense of humor and adventure. I remember every moment of your childhood and still laugh remembering funny things did in childhood. Do you remember the time when you were 3 years old and you tried to cut your own hair?
Oh yes, that was hilarious. You ended up with a bald spot on the top of your head and bangs that looked like a zigzag.
Hey, that's not funny. I was just trying to be creative.
Honey, do you remember when you were 5 and you tried to make a cake for your dad's birthday?
Oh yes, that was hilarious. You used salt instead of sugar and put ketchup on top as frosting.
Mom, Dad, please stop. That was so embarrassing. I thought I was being a good daughter.
You were, sweetie. We loved your cake. It was very creative. And what about the time when you were 7 and you wanted to be a superhero?
Yeah, that was awesome. I felt so powerful and cool.
You were cool, sweetie. But you also scared the mailman. When you jumped out of the bushes and yelled, "I'm Supergirl." He ran away so fast, he dropped his bag of letters.
I was just trying to protect our house from evil villains.
You're such a brave and adventurous girl. We love you so much.
I love you too, Mom and Dad. But please don't tell anyone about these stories. They're too embarrassing.
Don't worry, honey. There are little secrets.
Yes, we do. You always make us laugh and smile with your funny antics, but you also have good qualities. You always make us proud. You have done so well in school and in life. You have such a bright future ahead of you.
Thanks, Dad. You and Mom have always supported me in everything I do. You have taught me so much and given me so many opportunities.
We are very proud of you, honey. You have achieved a lot and overcome many challenges. You have a bright future ahead of you.
Yes, you do. But don't forget where you came from. And don't forget to enjoy the present too. Life is a journey, not a destination.
I know. You always say that. But it's true. I'm grateful for every moment we have together. You are the best parents ever. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.